In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly, tutorial for beginners, 5 minutes. If you're brand new to Calendly, this walkthrough will take you from logging in to sharing your first booking link so people can schedule time with you without the back and forth. Open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter your email address and select Continue. Then enter your password and continue again. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage, where all your event types live. To create your first booking page, click Create. Choose the one-on-one event type. This is perfect for a single meeting between you and one guest, and it's the easiest way to start. Give your event a clear name so invitees instantly understand what it's for. For example, you might use something like intro call or project check-in. You can also add a short description if you want to set expectations about topics or prep. Next, choose the duration. Calendly provides common lengths like 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Pick what aligns with the conversation you expect. You can always adjust this later if you find meetings run short or long. Now select the location. Calendly supports options like Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. If you use Zoom or Google Meet, Calendly can automatically generate a unique meeting link for each booking. If you choose a phone call, be clear in your event description about who calls whom and at what number. Calendly also handles time zones automatically, so your guests see your availability in their local time. Set your availability for this event. Choose the days and times when you're open to meeting. You can fine-tune windows to match your schedule and add buffers before or after meetings so you're not booked back to back. This keeps your calendar realistic and helps avoid burnout. Select who will host the meeting or appointment. For a single person, just confirm yourself as the host. This ensures the event is tied to the correct calendar and notifications. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly will generate the event page with your settings in place. Finally, copy the link and share it however you prefer. Paste it into an email, drop it into a message, or post it on your website or social profiles. A quick tip: open the link in a separate browser window to preview the guest experience and confirm the times and details are exactly how you want them. That's it. You've set up a one-on-one event in Calendly, and you're ready to start booking.